Okay, so here is the tour of the room. Oh my God, this room is absolutely like stunning. So it's a king bedroom with the city view. Right now I have, well, the blackout shades are let down. However, it is still daylight here, so I'm gonna let those up. So you just let those up here where it says blackout, and you see it going up. Because I am American Express Platinum member and I made my reservation with Fine Hotels, they sent me up this red wine amenity. Oh my God, look at the view. Like, this is insane. Oh my gosh. Here's the TV. Of course, we have the coffee. We have the closet for storage. And then when you go around this corner here, we have the bathroom. So there's a sit-in tub, which I probably will take a bath. There's a TV in here, shower. This is like, there's a sink there. Yeah,